Have you removed linoleum flooring and had stubborn spots that wouldn't scrape off? Here's an easy way to get the adhesive off without ruining the subfloor or using a chemical stripper. I lost my heat gun scraping blade attachment, so I'm using a small pry bar for removing molding and baseboard. But a metal putty knife or scraper will work too. I have the heat gun on high heat and I'm holding it an inch or two away from the adhesive. Within seconds, it's loose enough to scrape off. This heat gun's high setting is 1350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is hot enough to burn your floor and your hand, so be careful. Once all of the linoleum glue is removed, I'll clean the floor. Then put down a Schluter Ditra uncoupling membrane before putting down new porcelain tile.